I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Ayan. Gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na itong reading na ito is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading or baka konti lang. Huwag po saluhin na lahat. Lalo na pag hindi naman nangyayari sa inyo. No? And I want you to know that this is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo napanood ito, the reading is meant to find you. So simulan na natin and i-check natin ang update ng nangyayari sa inyong buhay, pag-ibig, the Emperor. So parang gusto natin dito is maisaayos, maituwid, no? Itong relasyon na ito. I feel like medyo magulo, nagkakagulo, either madaming taong involved or kayong dalawa lang, kumbaga messy, no? And I feel like meron ditong parang nawala yung power dito sa relationship, no? Naubos ang plan, nawala ang plan. So parang itong takbo ng relationship na ito, bahala na si Batman, no? Ang hirap kasi na gigising tayo sa isang araw na meron tayong takot, no? Every time natutulog tayo, meron tayong takot na will this connection last, no? Or may pagpapatuloy pa ba ito? Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano na nangyayari sa relationship namin. Baka bukas wala na akong jowa, wala na akong asawa, no? Yung ganun with the 10 of Cups. I don't know bakit nagkakagulo ngayon kasi the 10 of Cups in here, supposedly, ito yung cohabitation proposal or marriage. And I guess that this is also for very direct message doon sa mga taong laging na-reschedule, no? Itong pamamanhikan, itong proposal or marriage, no? Meron yatang, I don't know yet ha, wala pa naman dito yung buong cards for me to jump in that conclusion, or that assumption, pero we can conclude naman, somehow. Pwede naman yung mabago kapag nandyan na yung mga cards. Pero meron ba dito talagang sa relationship ninyo na sinasadya, no? Na patagalin ang flow ng relationship, patagalin na wag masyadong ibigay muna ang siguro may takot, no? Na matali or hindi pa siya sure, umuulang doon sa isang agreement pero hindi pa naman siya sure talaga deep inside for the sake of, sige, para matigil na tong usapan, oo ako. Pero deep inside, hindi talaga siya, walang concrete, no, na pagsang-ayon. Pero sinabi niya lang oo, no? Yun ang mahirap dun eh. So parang hindi siya tapat sa agreement na ito. With the King of Pentacles. So since parang nagkaroon na ng conversations of this is our plan in the future, ito yung gusto kong mangyari, hopefully ito din yung gusto mo, so yung isa oo ng oo. So parang meron ditong, yung isa nag-assume na rin na, parehas kami ng goal nitong person na ito. So, binuhos ang yung 100% na dito sa relationship. Kasi nga, nandun siya sa idea of, yun din yung gustong mangyari ni person. with the Eight of Pentacles. For a few numbers of you, nagkakilala kayo sa isang organization, no? Whether this is in school, sa trabaho, sa saan ba? Sa school, trabaho, sa isang organization nga, NGO probably, sa simbahan, no? Isang grupo, ang sinasabi ko dito. Doon nagsimula ang romantic relationship ninyo, no? Totally strangers, nagkaroon ng development, no? With the Two of Cups. So, mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal, no? Ito yung nangyayari dito. Sobrang love itong relationship. Pero I feel like nandun naman talaga yung love, no? Siguro, ang hindi lang dito nagtutugma is yung sobrang intense. Siguro yung isa intense na talaga kasi ibinigay na yung lahat. No, this is my plan, this is what I want to do. Yung isa, yes, I love you, but I feel like I'm not ready yet for that. Ayoko naman din sumama yung loob mo. So I just agreed doon po sa iyong plan, pero deep inside hindi naman talaga ko pa gusto. So medyo tagilid tayo dun sa part na yon, no? With the Two of Cups, hindi ko sinasabing walang emotion. Nandun yung emotion. Wala pa doon sa part na same intensity. Get? With the Magician in here, dadating din yung part na parehas kayo. Actually, parehas naman kayo ng gusto. No? Kumbaga, parehas kayo ng destination na gusto. Living it together, build a family, ikasal. That's good. It just so happened that probably because of the timing, no? Siguro yung isa masyadong nabibilisan, yung isa masyado namang nababagalan, no? With the Queen of Cups. So ang hirap kasi merong nagfi-feed ng fantasy niya dito sa relationship. This is what I wanted. So kung ganun na yung nagiging sitwasyon, parang si person, yung person na parang pinapabagal itong relationship, parang mas lalong nahihirapan kasi ayokong saktan yung taong mahal ko, no? Nagbibigay na siya ng mga information about ito yung gusto kong bahay, ito gusto kong sasakyan, ito yung gusto kong maging anak, dito gusto kong ikasal, ito yung gusto kong damit, no? Yung isa, gusto ko din yan, pero hindi pa sa ngayon. Parang nabibilisan, no? With the Two of Swords. So this is what the universe is sort of like asking, no? Or not really asking, but probably ipapa-experience kasi the Two of Swords, medyo masakit ito. And I think for the both of you na nagkaroon na ng separation or experiencing some separation right now, para kasing dire-diretso, walang pahinga. Nagkaroon ba kayo ng pag-uusap about jokes, about sweet nothings, yung mga part yan ng relationship, yung mga walang katuturan, no? Chismisan. Baka every time na nagkakaroon ng conversations, parang nasasakal, nalulunod sa info overload na binibigay naman ng isang tao. It could be you, it could be your person, kaya magkakaroon ng separation, no? The Hangman and the Six of Pentacles. So, it's supposed to be a transaction, no? This love should be your idea, my idea. If we don't like that idea, if I don't like your idea, probably we can meet halfway. Hindi lang puro someone's kind of like feeding the energy. So, I also want to contribute, no, my ideas in here. So parang ang sinasabi ngayon ng person na ito na nagpabagal ng relationship is naging tau-tauhan ako sa sarili ko ding relasyon, no? Parang I'm just feeding someone else's fantasy, and I myself is part of this whole grand, no, fantasy, pero wala naman talaga kumbaga, kailangan lang ako doon as a character. No, yun yung parang sinasabi. With the Four of Wands, this is actually what you wanted. The marriage, being together, building a family, no? Having a lot of pets, probably. But I am seeing in here with the Four of Wands, dadating naman itong celebrations na ito. But with the Five of Cups, wow, Five of Cups is clarified by the Three of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Siguro this is more of a message na i-include, no, si person dito sa ideas dahil parang si person, buhay din niya to, no? This is not just creating a world for you, no? This is also creating a world for the both of you. And this world supposedly and should be, no, comfortable for each other. Hindi lang ito one-sided, no? So, I think that this is more of a message, lalo na dun sa nangangailangan ng message na ito na kailangan meron tayong harmony. Ang hindi porket oo lang yung isa, ibig sabihin gusto na, no? Itanong natin sa kanya, is this really what you want? Do you have an idea how we can improve this or what not, or what do you like? Ikaw muna ang mauna, no? So, kung kayo'y nakaka-relate dito sa reading na ito, and if you have some questions, sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. So, pwedeng patingi-tingin, no? Pa isa-isa, dalawa yung tanong, pero email question yon. But if you want a reading like this with a video, that's a private video reading, and nandun din po yun, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Capricorn. I am seeing Leo, Cancer, Aries, Pisces again, Taurus, Virgo. So yan. This is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.